Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Samiha from Cook with Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make this mouth-watering, delicious chocolate cake. But before we get on to this video, make sure to subscribe if you like what I do here, and also click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. Let's start by making the batter. Firstly, sift 200 grams of flour into your bowl. And to that, go ahead and sift 25 grams of cocoa powder. And now start mixing it. Next, add 150 grams of granulated white sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now take another bowl and add 6 egg yolks. Make sure to keep your egg whites aside for now. Now prepare 180 milliliters of water and add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Now you're going to add 120 milliliters of oil into your egg yolks. And now to that you're going to add your coffee mixture. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now you're going to combine your wet egg mixture with your dry flour mixture. For this next process, you're going to need your stand mixer. To start, take your egg whites from earlier and add it into the bowl. Now slowly start to beat the egg whites. After a few minutes, start to add 150 grams of granulated white sugar little by little as you go. Make sure to beat the egg whites until it starts to form small peaks. Now take your chocolate batter from earlier and fold your egg whites into it. Now slowly start mixing it and add more to the mixture as you go. Now start pouring the batter into your greased pan. Now bake it in a preheated oven for about an hour or until the cake has been baked. While that's baking, let's go ahead and make the chocolate filling. To your stand mixer bowl, add and mix 100 grams of butter. Now set that off to the side and prepare 250 grams of powdered sugar. To the powdered sugar, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now slowly start to mix it in and combine it with your butter. While you're mixing, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add milk until you get a smooth filling. Now prepare a double boiler and melt together 250 grams of chocolate and 57 grams of diced butter. To that, add 2 tablespoons of corn syrup or glucose syrup. And now we're done with the chocolate glaze. And now finally the cake has been baked. Slowly remove your cake from the pan and cut it in half to get 2 slices. Now place the bottom half of the cake on a cake board and pipe the top with some chocolate filling. Now with a spatula, spread the filling all over the top. Now take the top half of the cake and place it on top of the bottom. Next, take your chocolate glaze and pour it all over the top of the cake. With the help of a spatula, spread the glaze all over. Finally, for decoration purposes, you can pipe the top with some frosting and drizzle some chocolate over it. And that was the end of this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.